I feel like all day today I've been waiting for my sister. Oh my gosh. She is taking so long to get ready. It is so frustrating. As I wait for my sister here, it is taking so long for her. I feel like I didn't even want to come to the mall for anything. I thought we were going to be here for max an hour, and we've been here now for I think almost 4 hours. So good note for me, don't go to the mall with your sister because it's gonna turn into a 4-long experience. So I did get a Starbucks drink. I drank it in probably about 30 seconds, you guys. Look how much ice is in that. Probably I'm not gonna order this drink anymore. I don't know why Starbucks gives drinks that is basically all ice. It's really frustrating. P.S. my sister is here, finally. So I've been waiting outside of her car for the last 15 minutes, and she just let me know that apparently I had the keys the whole time. So that's just lovely. What is up? You're in Hannah's kitchen today, and we are cooking up some delicious food. I'm gonna say that I'm not vegan, but I definitely want to give this a shot, see how my body responds to it, see how I like it, see how my energy levels are. So I'm going to cook my meals now, and I did a lot of research, tried to find some yummy recipes, which I'm super excited to make. Hopefully they taste good. So that is the biggest thing. Sometimes cooking with ingredients, you have no idea what it's going to taste like. But the first thing we're making today is high protein almond scones. And since I do lift weights, I will have more of a high protein spin on this meal prep as opposed to something that is maybe just vegetables and lettuce. So I'm gonna have more high protein meals, and let's get it. So I just use whole flax seeds instead of chia seeds, and I'm pretty sure you need to grind these up. So I just put that in here and then let it sit in water. I don't know, hopefully it's the same thing. All right, burger time. Let's see how this looks. All right, so I just finished the burgers, and it kind of looks like a big sloppy green mess. So let's hope this tastes good. Ooh, I am working up a sweat in Hannah's kitchen. I am so sweaty. So my sweet potato fries are all done, and you guys, it is so crispy. So they were in here for about 30 minutes, and I added just about a half a tablespoon of I can't even say it, avocado oil, and about a teaspoon, half a tablespoon of Himalayan salt. Next up, I am making these. There is quite a lot of protein in this. Now to make my sauce, just sauteing the onions and garlic. Then I'm going to add this tomato paste. So I also added about a 1/4 cup of this olive oil, and then I'm going to add some oregano and some garlic and herbs.